In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor assembly on your Kia Optima. Located on the passenger side of the vehicle, let's get started. We're going to be moving under the glove box and we're going to be removing this copper. So go ahead and grab it on each corner and push down on it. Slide it out. And that will reveal the blower motor. Now we're gonna go ahead and unplug the blower. Grab onto the connector, squeeze it, and slide it out. After unplugging the blower, we're gonna have 3 Phillips head screws. Using a screwdriver, go ahead and take those out. There's gonna be one right here, one right over here, and there's gonna be one more in the back. In our case, this one's missing. We'll be replacing that after. Go ahead and remove the bolts. After you remove the bolts, grab onto the blower and slide it down. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. Looking at this section of the blower right here, it's kind of lined up with this area. So go ahead and do that. Slide it in. And line it up with that. Go ahead and start the bolts. And get them snug. Go ahead and get them snug. Now you can reinstall the screws to hold the blower motor in place. One thing to keep in mind, one of my bolts was a little bit rotted, so I replaced it. So it might look a little different. After you have all 3 bolts in place, go ahead and plug it in. Line up the connector. Push it in. Give it a light tug to make sure that it is in place. Now we're ready to install the bottom tray. Go ahead and line it up. And push up on it. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.